Use the screwdriver to get these little clips off of here. Just pop them off like that. And I got all of these off. Not let it fall in there. And the hose is loose. A little clip here. I usually just slide these off sideways. Oh, this one doesn't work that way. That worked. It's got a clip here, pull it out. Alright, that's interesting. I'm just going to leave that bottom half of the shroud in there. Get this fan clutch off. I'm not sure what size wrench that is. Alright. Take the belt off here. Looks like this slips off easy. Oh. I always try to remember if I have to pass around the fan. So in this case, it goes around the compressor and comes up, so I will not have to pass around the fan. The whole belt is on top of the engine going down. So I've decided to use a pipe wrench because I don't have a huge spanner to get this fan off. Thought I'd share with you how I know which direction. You know, the fan is pulling air through the radiator going this way. So drag is causing it to want to go this way, the opposite direction. So it will get tighter normal, clockwise. I'm just going to use 13mm here. Got this square tube. I didn't have anything better to use as a cheater. Go freely down. Keep it on there with my thumb. I think that's it. Oh, there we go. Out of here. Wrench. No need for that anymore. Alright, still good. Half inch, 13, same thing. I don't have a set of each, just have every size all the way up. Alright, just put these together. And there she is. That's for you guys. Alright, these are 10mm. Pop this off. Always check the length. One down here. Oh. Oh. And I knew it was the water pump because I saw some coolant under my car and then looked to see where the coolant was coming from and looked up here and saw it leaking from here. I've learned my lesson ordering the cheapest off of eBay, so I usually go for the next brand up, not the cheapest one. That's fine. Came with a new gasket, not too bent out of shape. That's why you gotta use coolant in your engines and not water. This looks like it's stainless, but this one's just galvanized metal. It will rust until it is nothing. It's a little bit bent, but it'll be okay. It'll straighten out under pressure. The bead is good. Wait. Stay. They're putting the bolts back in. Never, ever tighten your bolts up until you got every one of them in. On anything you're doing. If you tighten just one of these up, the rest won't go in for sure. I trust my trigger control. You guys might want to get a little inch-pound torque wrench on there and look up the specs. Or just a manual wrench and you can feel it. They're just 10 millimeters, so if you over tighten them, you'll feel it start to slide like you're going to strip it out. But I trust my trigger control with my impact. I've been using it for 6 years. Pulley. And that was a 13. Short. I'm making this video just in case there's not one on the internet for Chevy Colorado inline 4 water pump. The inline 5 may be the same. But yeah. Get all of them in before you tighten any of them. Another thing I do with the impact is watch my tool and see how much it rotates. No need to tighten this because it's self-tightening. Joke. To tighten it up, I'm just gonna put the belt back on and then put the pipe wrench on it and then hit it with a hammer. Probably could have done that to take it off, but do that idler pulley last. Down here is messed up. Alright, all looks good. Compressor up. Stay. Okay. Compressor looks good. And alternator finally. Twisting here, keeping tension. Alright. Breaker bar. Got a little bit more behind the fan blade. Sweet. Not mad at Chevy for this job. It's good to feel around, make sure. Otherwise your belt could pop right off. Oh, found something. You can't see it, but I can feel it. I can't see it either. There we go. Fixed it. It's in the right groove. Okay. Sweet. Bend this AC line out of the way. Got 1, 2. See here. Alright, fits good. Let's get a clip on it. There it goes. There it went. Clip. Stayed together. Sweet. Looks good all the way down. More clips. All the clips. See? Easy. Fan spins? Yep, it does. This thing still spin? Nope, it's caged now. Doesn't rub the fan. We're good. One piece there. 13 millimeter. Oh, still got it on here. Perfect. Clip. Doesn't seem to do anything. Hose clamp. It's real easy to strip these out, so I'm just going to use the battery ratchet. So satisfying. I love using ratchets for hose clamps. We got one more hose over here. And a clip down this side. Alright, things back together. Yeah, I couldn't find the drain for this. Oh, let's rotate this clamp first. I used a ratcheting end wrench to get it off. Alright. There we go. Probably would have been easier to do this while I had the shroud off, but oh well. That's honestly good enough for me. Like I said, it's tightening against drag. If it does come off and helicopter out of here, I'll be quite impressed. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go get cleaned up now.